The Shark. NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum with large dust cup capacity, HEPA filter, and swivel steering is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that caters to a wide range of cleaning needs. The powerful suction capability of this vacuum allows for deep cleaning carpets and efficient tackling of bare floors. For added convenience, the lift-away functionality enables the detachment of the pod to clean under furniture or above the floor, including upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. With an emphasis on health-conscious cleaning, the anti-allergen complete seal technology functions in conjunction with a HEPA filter to effectively trap dust and allergens within the vacuum, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. The inclusion of powerful pet hair pickup attachments, such as the upholstery tool, makes pet hair cleaning a hassle-free experience, addressing a common concern for pet owners.
Experience powerful Dyson suction for bigger homes, with a wider cleaner head and a bigger bin to tackle more mess. Pioneering Dyson technology. Find the right vacuum for your home.